We're here to show you one type of hybrid setup for a successful Toastmasters demo meeting. This setup was in a restaurant meeting room targeted for 15 in-person attendees and dozens of virtual participants. The first challenge was to figure out how to arrange tables. Organizers wanted a boardroom-style layout, as opposed to a round table or a lecture hall. This meant arranging tables lengthwise with the podium at the front. They placed chairs around the tables, with a few extras in open areas of the room. Next, the tech layout. The rule here was to keep it simple while ensuring a truly inclusive, high-quality experience for everyone. We put a laptop with built-in webcam onto the podium. We could also have placed it nearby. We attached good multimedia speakers to this laptop to allow all virtual voices to be clearly heard without causing audio feedback or echo. This directional podcast microphone at the podium was excellent for clearly capturing the live speaker's voice while excluding the ambient room noise. The rule was that any in-person speaker had to walk up to the podium. Finally, an extension cord was run from the nearest power outlet under the table where the laptop and the speakers were plugged in. It was important to keep the cord neat and taped down. The question remained how physical attendees could see virtual participants and vice versa. We placed a laptop and a muted flat-screen TV plus USB webcam where they could be seen by the physical attendees. This was also where the Zoom master operated the meeting. In a less challenging setting, this could have been done at the front or the rear of the room. Finally, a couple more accommodations were needed. The timer role was filled by a virtual participant, allowing for the timer's background colors to be seen clearly by all attendees. The Zoom master pinned the timer to the room's TV during the speaking portions of the meeting. Also, as an experiment, a tripod with a ring light and smartphone was placed on the opposite side of the room to provide extra podium lighting and another camera angle for virtual participants. Organizers now know that this kind of a setup can happen for any size of a meeting and most any layout. They were sure to test as much as they could a few days prior to the meeting. Again, with the mindset of ensuring a high-quality experience and keeping the tech setup simple, a fun, productive hybrid meeting can be experienced by everyone.